we are again with the SST new chapter, that is the animal wealth of India. So, as you are knowing, wealth, what does wealth means? Means you can say the treasure, and you should know flora and fauna of India is very much precious for the people living in India. So today we are going to read about the animals which is found in India and what is the use, how it helped the people living of India. So first of all you should know, before people used to do many occupation, that is poultry farming, dairy farming, etc. So with the passage of time, now the, if you are talking before, animals was used for various purpose. Before it was used for rehat. What is rehat? Means the Persian wheel, you can say. People were using animals to move this wheel, and this wheel have to get water, and animal used to move it round and round, and this water was used for the farming, agriculture and irrigation. So as the before, you can say animals were used for transport also. If you are talking about desert area, camel is used. If you are talking about uh, when the transport was not so modern, people use bullock cart to move from one place to another. So, and you know, not only this, animal has been helpful to us in many ways. Not only we can get the milk and milk product from the animals, the hides, the skin is also useful for the people. You should know that sheep, the sheep is, the skin of the sheep is used to make the wool. Some of the animals' hides are used for making the leather product. It may be shoes, it may be belt, many things. And if you are talking about some of the insect also, for example, silkworm. The silk is obtained from the silkworm, and this silk is used to make the silk sari, you can say, which is very much costly and famous in Tamil Nadu. So you can see that many animals are just helpful to us. If you are talking about word livestock, what is the word livestock means? So understand that animals that are kept on farms for our profit is called livestock. So you understand that animals which are kept on farms, just we can get help from that animals, that are called as livestock. With the passage of time, people has started the new type of invention also. You can see that not only they have started domesticated animals, they started keeping the birds also. That is poultry farming. Means the good quality of, you can say, the chicken were looked after, and so that it can be sold in the market for the meat. So this poultry farming, especially the people living in the village, has working on this occupation also. Not only agriculture, people are working for the dairy product also. Ahmedabad, or you can say Gujarat, is famous for dairy farming, people living there just are dependent on dairy product, and they it is very good source of occupation, good source of earning money for the people of Gujarat. So you understand that not only this, the waste of animal, that is called as manure. The waste of animals, that is called as manure. It is also used as a biogas, which is used for making the food in the village. Too many experiments are done by the people, and the waste is collected and the food is cooked by this method. Not only that, cooking food is one of the advantage. The second is that people, with the help of biogas, they light the lamps also. So this is the how they are getting the help of the waste, that is the manure of the animals. And manure of the animals not only is helping, it is very good source of fertilizer also. Farmers use this as a fertilizers in their agriculture. And I have mentioned what is poultry. Poultry is the place where hens, chicken, etc. are raised for meat and egg. Means you can see in the part of India, the chicken are looked after very much nicely, and so that it can give the egg in abundance, and people get advantage from that. So poultry farming is one of the also occupation practiced by the people of India. And we can't forget the name of the person, that is late Dr. V.G. Kurian, who is known as father of white revolution. What is white revolution? White, as the word you are knowing, white means you are knowing the milk. Milk is also white in color. So according to this movement, the animals which gives the milk product, and the animals which gives the milk, to raise the production of that, the white revolution took place. What is that? How can you define that? A movement leading to tremendous increase in production of milk and milk product. So, white revolution, what is that? It is a movement leading to tremendous increase in production of milk and milk product. If production of milk is increasing, it will be good for the people of India also. So, in this again I told we can't forget the name of late Dr. V.G. Kurian, who is known as father of white revolution. Not only this, the blue revolution. Now you understand what is blue revolution. So this is the movement in which production of fish should be increased, and now this occupation is also practiced by too many people, because not only they are increasing the production of fish, now artificial ponds is also made in order to increase the production of fish. So you can say that PC culture is done. What is PC culture now? Means to increase the production of fish, people use the fish for the commercial purpose. So the understand again this topic, PC culture. PC culture means processing of fish for the production of its increasement, so that it can be used for commercial purpose. So pisciculture is the processing of fish for commercial purpose. And you should know, I have mentioned before also, that now people are working, they are making artificial pond, and the seeds of fish are put into that, so that the production of fish can be increased. So this is the new method by the people of India, looking for the more new method. And if you are talking, I told blue revolution. What is that? Means increasing the production of fish. So these are certain topics you have to know. And next is that people should work for saving these animals also. Some animals, because these animals are very valuable for us, very useful for us, and the relationship of man and animal is very old. If you know, the animals are always helpful to we, the people, and so the government or the people should also look after the animals. The fodder provided to them, what is fodder? The food which is provided to them should be very good, so that we can get the production of milk and milk product also. And if the animals, if the flora, if the fauna is good of that country, it will help to develop the country also. If the forest is developed, flora is developed, fauna is developed, it depends upon the country development also. So these are the important topic which you have to know. So note it down once again. What is livestock? You write in your copy that animals that are kept on farms for our profit is called as livestock. Second, you can just say what is poultry? Means the place where hens, chicken, etc. are raised for meat and egg is called poultry. If you are talking about white revolution and blue revolution, so you say define this topic that a movement which was used for the tremendous increase in production of milk and milk product. And in the same way blue, because blue is the color related to water and fish remain in the water, so this movement was called as blue movement. And blue movement was the movement which lead to the tremendous increase of the fish. And sometimes the question is coming, who is the father of white revolution? So you will answer, let Dr. V.G. Kurian is known as father of white revolution. One thing more I want to mention you, that what are milch cattle? Milch cattle are those animals which provide whatever, provide milk such as cow, buffaloes, etc. So these are the animals which are always helpful to us. If you are talking in the form of skin, if in the form of milk, if, animals are totally very much helpful to us. So we should always try to save them. And but the tremendous hunting, the continuous hunting of these animals had made some of the animals to extinct also. So we should save these animals so that our wealth of India can be preserved. So learn this topic, and we are coming with again with another topic of next chapter. Thank you. Keep learning.